As a consultancy, staffing, or recruitment agency, you know how important having a professional image is to attracting the top clients and candidates to use your services. Don't settle for anything less than a professional and unique logo that gives clients and candidates confidence that they're working with a company that stands behind its services. Placeit's professional logo makers make it easy to create a unique logo without having to hire expensive designers or use plain boring clip art logo that gives the impression of low effort work. Let me show you just how easy it is. To make a logo for our agency, we're going to go to the top left-hand side where it says logos and click on that. Next, we're going to move over to this middle section here next to company name and then click on all industries to get a drop down with all the different industries that Placeit has for us to choose. And then we're just going to click on consulting. So here we're going to see all the different logos that are available for HR agencies, recruitment groups, consultancies, and so on. So as you can see, there are a bunch of different options to choose from, and these are all starting points that we can further edit. One other thing we can do is where it says company name, we can simply type in our agency's name. For example, ours is going to be called Humana. And then what Placeit is going to do is generate previews using all the different templates, so we can get an idea of what they look like with our agency's name. Once we've picked out a template, we can start to edit it by going over to the left-hand side and edit the text. So here we have the little text boxes, and to edit them, we would just click on any one of these and start to type away. And there we go. The preview is going to update in real time, so that makes it super easy to get the exact results that we're looking for. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that. Now, inside each one of these little text boxes, we have two numbers. The first one lets us know how many characters we currently have on that line, and the second number is the maximum number of characters that can fit on that line. To the left, we have a check mark. If we click on it, we'll remove that line of text from the design, and to add it back, we would just click on it again. Below, we have the font picker button. If I click on it, I get a drop down with all the different fonts that we can choose from for that line. So I just click on any one of these to change it, just like that. And to the right, we have the color picker. If I click on it, I get a bunch of preset colors to choose from, and I can just click on any one of these, or I can click on more and basically choose any color that I want. I could also input the hex code for a color if I happen to have that right here. And to set it, I would just click on choose. I'm going to go ahead and change that back to purple. All right, so let me go ahead and continue editing this. So I'm going to change this to say HR agency. I'll change the font here to be the same. I'll leave the color as it is. And we're going to change this line that says recruitment company. Now, notice as I clicked on this one, I get three little buttons. These let us change the size for this line of text. So it can be small, medium, or large. I'm just going to change it to small so you can see what that looks like. There we go. I'm going to change it back to large. And I'll change this line of text to say the power of people. It's going to be like our tagline for our company here. And let's see, I'm going to change this text here. There we go. And I'll actually change this to a lighter orange. Let me just change it here. There we go. Perfect. So next we have the layout section, and we can choose to align everything to the left or to the right or centered, or everything just kind of on top of each other. So we've got a bunch of different options with one template. I think I like the way it looks left aligned. Next, we're going to move on to the right-hand side where we have the accent color. So that's this purple here that you see on the graphic. We can leave it as it is or just click on it, and we get the same preset colors to choose from. Once again, we can click on more, just like the fonts. We can choose the main color for the graphic, and we can, of course, choose the graphic. So we have a bunch of different options here. Let me take a look and just try out one here. Okay, so it looks pretty good. I think I'll actually leave it as it is. There we go. So next we have the badge, which is this background section for the graphic. Right now it's a circle, but we've got a bunch of different options. We can even choose to not use one if we don't want one. So let's see here. Actually, let's try that. We're going to click on no image, and we're going to click on main color because it's orange on orange, so we're not seeing those other bubbles here. But if I change it to white, there we go, and we can finally see them. And finally, we're going to change the background. So I'm just going to click on that, and I'm going to click on more, and I think I'll choose a slightly darker orange. There we go. All right, Perfect. So once I'm satisfied with my design and I'm ready to download it, I can simply go to this top section here where it says download and click on that. And we're going to get this little window that gives us the image format, which is going to be a PNG image, and the resolution. So it's going to be a 4000 by 4000 pixel image. And once we're ready to purchase, we just click on purchase and we follow those steps. Placeit also has social media image makers that let you quickly create great looking job postings in seconds, and flyer templates so you can let potential recruits know about the latest employment opportunities with visually appealing flyers. For only $29 a month, you get unlimited access to all of Placeit's tools to not only brand and promote your agency, but also attract more talent and connect more candidates to more jobs. For any human resources company, Placeit's unlimited subscription is a no-brainer. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more videos and tutorials on how to take your human resources agency or consultancy to the next level with Placeit.